Hi, my name is Donald G. Mills, and I am author of Template for the Temple, a pattern for building God's house with wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. I'm here today to answer some of the most frequently asked questions that we receive from pastors and leaders prior to embarking upon a construction project. One of the most important questions that we get all of the time is, who should we employ first? There are multiple number of people that you will need to touch and address as you progress through this process, but these are the first few that I really feel are the most important for you in this process. One is a consultant. The second one is an engineer, or civil, as well as an architect. Those are the three areas that you really need to consider prior to moving forward in this process. The consultant will help guide you through what you're about to embark upon. He's able to also assist you in putting together a realistic construction budget, as well as guiding you through your space requirements. The civil engineer will look more at your site and what you're trying to do as far as the development of your parking facilities and those kind of things, as well as interface with the municipality. And of course, the architect will produce your construction documents.
For free access to all of our videos on the 10 most frequently asked questions about church construction and the 10 most important aspects of your church construction project, go to www.church-construction-consulting.com.